Hey guys, now the newest 12.4-inch tablet with 4K display by DOOGEE is now available. The T30 Max, as it's called, features an ultra-thin 7.9mm metal frame, big 10,800 mAh battery and gorgeous 4K display. Our test unit, which was provided by DOOGEE, just arrived, so let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing before we actually test the tablet. Our unit arrived in this quite sleek packaging. We have the 512GB model with 8GB of RAM. The RAM can be extended with another 12GB of RAM, with a total of 20GB of RAM. Inside we find the tablet itself along with the user guide, warranty card, USB-C cable for charging and data transfer, and the 33W fast charging power brick. Here is the T30 Max itself. It comes with a really nice protective case that also doubles as a stand. Removing the case reveals just how slim the tablet really is. At only 7.9mm thin, it's among the thinnest tablets I've reviewed. We have a nice grippy textured leather material for the back panel, and the tablet feels very nice to the touch and comfortable to grip. It features metal alloy unibody lightweight design. The tablet weighs only 660 grams, with 88.2% screen-to-body ratio and a fairly slim bezels. So after going through the initial setting up process, we can finally take a look at the tablet. Straight away, it feels very snappy and responsive. It looks like there's pretty much no bloatware apps pre-installed. Of course, the main highlight here is the beautiful 12.4-inch 4K IPS display. We have HDR10 support and even P3 level cinematic color gamut. P3 color gamut is approximately 25% higher than sRGB, allowing for more vibrant and accurate color representation. The contrast is pretty good with plenty of sharpness. The Widevine L1 support, along with the bigger screen size, makes the T30 Max a great option for media consumption through all the streaming platforms. There's also chip-level blue light protection, making long-time viewing sessions more comfortable. The audio quality is decent too. The T30 Max boasts a total of 4 speakers, and the loudness levels are more than enough for normal use scenarios. The mid-tones are quite pronounced with a fair bit of bass too. As for the operating system, we got the latest Android 14. There are quite a bit of extra features as well. The Dual Speed boosts performance by restricting background tabs, activities and notifications. We also got hybrid memory, which effectively adds another 12GB of RAM on top of the 8GB of RAM that the tablet has. Another very convenient feature that allows you to use the bigger screen more effectively is this split screen option. And I'm happy to report it works brilliantly, everything is nice and smooth. I'm not a huge fan of the bigger screen is better trend, but here with this tablet I feel like 12.4 inches is the perfect screen size, at least in my opinion. Coupled with the very slim design, it makes the tablet a great option for productivity tasks, media consumption and even gaming. Speaking of gaming, leads us to the specs of the T30 Max. The system on chip is Helio G99, which has an octa-core CPU and Mali G57 GPU. This offers enough power for very smooth UI operation, web browsing, multitasking and gaming. The game I tested is PUBG with the fancier textures downloaded, and it performed really well with no noticeable lag or stutter. I've tested for a good 50 to 60 minutes and it appears to be no overheating or thermal throttling issues. The battery life is excellent too. The big 10,800 mAh battery has plenty of juice. It's rated for 46 hours of music playback, 8 hours of streaming video and 6 hours of web browsing. With the 33-watt fast charger, it takes 2 hours to charge the battery to full 100%. The tablet also supports reverse charging too, so you can use it to charge your other devices. As for the camera setup, we got dual camera with one 50 megapixel main sensor and one 2 megapixel macro sensor at the back. The main 50 megapixel camera produces decent quality images. There's plenty of details, low noise, accurate colors and fairly wide dynamic range. 2K video at 30 FPS captured from the rear camera is detailed with natural looking colors. So in my opinion, the DOOGEE T30 Max is worth considering. With its stunning 12.4 inches 4K display, solid performance and excellent battery life, it offers a lot of value for its price. Whether you're looking for a device for work, entertainment or creativity projects, this tablet is a fantastic option. And guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more reviews and gaming content. Let me know in the comments what you think of the DOOGEE T30 Max. If you're interested, you can find the product links in the video description. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.